News now from Karnataka, and breaking news as the Kaveri issue has come up again. Remember, this is a political hot potato, and once again controversy raging over the Kaveri issue. And now Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has appealed to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay to postpone the meeting that has been sought. He's urged him to defer the Mekadatu talks. This is a project that Karnataka is planning on the Kaveri, and Tamil Nadu is angry over this project as this will affect the water flow to the state, to their farmers. DK is now saying the atmosphere is not right for talks because this comes at a time that the BJP is raising it. Several groups are raising this issue in Karnataka as well. Listen in to what he said.
Let this court issues be over. We know that we respect the law of this country. We know the water position. We will try to inform them this local status. And we will have a meeting in a better cordial situation.
All right, let's go across to Ritu now for all the details. And Ritu, take us through these developments. The Kaveri issue is always politically fraught, and D.K. Shivkumar is asking Chief Minister Vijay to postpone the talks for now as there are protests in Karnataka.
Well, very true. You see, as you rightly pointed out, at this point in time, you have the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who has written from Delhi and has in fact, in the press conference that he has held, he has made it very quite clear that he has urged Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay to, in fact, postpone his meeting. Remember, 3rd of August, basically on Mondays, that we were expecting a meeting between both these chief ministers, in fact, Karnataka CM as well as the Tamil Nadu CM, to discuss various matters, including that of a Kaveri water sharing matter as well. Now, at this point in time, of course, you see here in the state, the BJP remains to be up in the arms. They've been quietly demanding that D.K. Shivkumar should, in fact, put out this whole clarification out that he would not be inviting the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister because they have called this nothing else but a photo op. And on the other side, you see, you have the Chief Minister who's now considering the atmosphere of the state, where that we are seeing how that the protests are basically erupting, not just in one part of Karnataka, but apparently across Karnataka, including that of an opposition party in the state, the BJP basically. And needs to be seen, you see now going forward, how things are really going to take place between both of these states, how that they would really decide to resolve this matter amicably. Because in this whole matter that you see, we are talking about the Kaveri water sharing matter, it's only before the Supreme Court now that some solution can be seen in this matter. But needs to be seen, what's really going to happen in the coming days. Back to you.
All right, Ritu, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.